spots. Just gonna go talk to my parents real quick. I don't know where we're going. Alright, so Riley, she didn't want to come out again. She wanted us to go with my parents. So they're gonna go do something while we fish this next spot. My brother's about halfway over there. I'm catching up to him. So yeah, basically what we're using, my brother's using the same thing. Maybe a little different color, but it's right around the same. It's using white spinnerbait, no trailer hook. One of my favorite blades is these Magnum willow blades. I just feel like they give off a little better vibration than the standard willow. This is a number 5. It's my go-to. I use this thing spring, summer, fall. It's definitely one of my favorites. But it's been working good so far, so we'll just stick with that color. Oh, yep. Yeah, you want to try me on? Yeah, so they're right up close to shore. This one feels like a nice fish. This chunky one. Definitely in the 3 range, could be 4. Yeah, that's a good one. Definitely in the 4 range. Three and a half, 4. Yeah. Chunky. That's big fat bellies on. That's probably 3.5, 3.5. Yep, my brother's got one. Yeah. My brother's thinking that's a good one. That's like a 3-pound one. Yeah, no, that last one I caught was too. That's a good one. 3.5. Maybe well. Pull the skirt down. Thinking we may be a couple days late on this side here. Last time we hit it really good. We were pulling 3 or 4 out in the mouth of the stream. And last time we was fishing here, we must have caught 50 fish out of this stream when it melted. It was just one fish after another. I'm thinking we're probably like a couple days late. Yeah, this stream right here wasn't here a couple of years. Oh, he's got one.
He's in there. Oh, he's got another one here. Small one.
So this whole stream weren't here a couple of years ago. Got him? I gotta go for it. Smallmouth? Yep, smallmouth up in here. Just enough current in the wind that it's making this a difficult travel. Alright. Gonna do some short casting here so we don't disturb any fish in between. Oh, that's a fish!
Whoa! Oh, get out of there, get out of there.
This is a nice 4-pound fish. Yep. Maybe even 5. Can't really get a good look at him. Yeah, probably 4.
5.
Oh yeah, nice one. Nice 4-pounder. So they're in here. I think we still missed them. Nice fat belly. More current coming through than there was the last time we did it. Alright, so I was going to finish with that last cove, but decided to fish this one last one. We normally don't come down this way early season. This is normally we catch enough out of them other coves, but figure we'd try it down here. There is a little bit of a stream that I believe has enough water in it now that the fish may be up in. This is that little stream. Normally a good stream late spring, summer, and early fall. Fish really tend to hang out around this all year. Figured that would have been a fish for sure. Thought it had to be one by the stream. Just a little guy though. Oh, that was a fish. I actually felt like a good one. As far as I'm going to go, I'm not going to go any further up in here. Last cast, little pocket right there. Oh, fish. Nice chunky guy, that could be close to 4, 3.5, 4 probably. Love it when you catch one in there. Say it's last cast. Probably we're going to call it quits with this guy. I'm just about out of battery. Late last fish at the end of the day. It's 3.5, maybe 4. Yeah, probably 3.5. Nice big fat bellies on them. Nice healthy bass. So we're going to call it quits there. I've been heading back, just kind of casting these shorelines. I just picked up another 4 or 5 fish. This is, I think, fish 5 or 6, and it's a decent one. It's 3.5, 4 pounds. I figured I'd pop the camera on. Yeah, probably 3.5. Yeah, probably 3. Nice chunky fish though. I'm all pulled in and I'm heading back. I've picked up an extra, since that last one, I don't know, maybe another 2 or 3 fish. So had a fantastic day overall. For just a short amount of time fishing, we pulled in a lot of good fish, nice healthy fish. This is a great lake. I fished it since I was a young kid. Like I said, we get into like some 6-pound fish, but the average here is, 3 to 5. A bunch of, 2s obviously, but sizable fish. We're looking at, fish in the 4 to 5 range, the biggest we pull out of here on average. An occasional 6, but this is the first of many videos. I'm going to try to record most of the fishing I do this summer, this spring, summer. Do a ton of bass fishing, pike fishing if I can get around to that. I dedicated a lot of time last year to fly fishing. I've always fly fished, but last year I pretty much dedicated to it. 90% of the fishing I did was fly fishing. I got into some pretty good fish, good rainbows, some good browns. So I'll try to get some footage of that too. Yeah, this is hopefully the first of many, and we're going to probably shut this one off and we'll catch you on the next one.